I'm Elisa. I'm an Italian student from Università Cattolica studying marketing and communication, and I'm here in New York City for a summer internship in a fashion design company called Naeem Khan as a wholesale PR and marketing intern. I've decided to move here in New York because I wanted to challenge myself and see if I could manage to stay a whole 2 months living in this city. That could be a lot, trust me. But it was so fun getting to know every corner of this amazing city, getting to know people, different culture, and just explore every iconic building or area. And it was so life-changing, just trying to see how it's like living here as a local, because once in a lifetime you have to try to do that. As a wholesale PR and marketing intern, I was asked to help the team with sales, with managing with clients, as well with orders. So some of my tasks were about dropping off dresses, picking up fabric, and just help them with the oncoming shows, so with their organization. But trust me, I've learned so much. I was completely brand new to the field, but now in just a short amount of time and with the kindness of people, I've kind of found my way here. So maybe now I know that I want to continue working in fashion. So I mean, that's the whole purpose of this internship. At first I was so scared because moving here all around the globe all alone, it was a lot to handle. But then, thanks to the amazing people that I met, with the help of the Intern Group staff, I managed and I found a way to get used to the city, to create my routines and just enjoy the time here. And trust me, it feels like it's been 2 whole lives, not just 2 months. It was that important, and I'm so glad, and I could not recommend it more. You have just to push yourself, get all way above your comfort zone and just trying to do such a unique experience, because it's completely worth it. So yeah, these 2 months have taught me a lot. They were everything that I could ever dreamed about, and I'm so grateful to every person that I met, for every lesson that I learned, for real, like for everything. Just so amazing. Just being here in Central Park, it is an honor. So you have to do that as well. You have to push yourself to your limits and trying to see that there is when life begins. So as I love to say, and I also got a tattoo here just to remember it even more, you have to do one thing at a time. And this thing could be moving all across the globe just to try and to see how it's like living in a big city like New York, because trust me, it is completely worth it.